Welcome back to Ask, your go-to source for scrumptious vegan recipes. Today, we've got a treat for your taste buds, the ultimate vegan waffle recipe. If you thought waffles couldn't get any better, think again. These waffles are not only egg and dairy-free but also incredibly delicious. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Airy lean belly juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. But before we dive into the batter, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mouth-watering vegan recipes. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1½ cups almond milk, or any plant-based milk of your choice, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 1. Preparing the batter. Let's kick things off by preparing our waffle batter. In a mixing bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything's nicely incorporated. Step 2. Adding wet ingredients. Next, we're going to add 1½ cups of almond milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, gently mix until you have a smooth batter. Be careful not to overmix, a few lumps are totally okay. Step 3. Cooking the waffles. With our batter ready, it's time to cook these beauties. Preheat your waffle iron, lightly grease it with some oil or non-stick cooking spray, pour in your batter, close the lid, and let the waffle iron work its magic. It usually takes about 4 to 5 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy, and there you have it, folks. Freshly made vegan waffles that are simply irresistible. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.